Good morning, student. नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली welcome you in e-learning platform prepared by myself Dr. Shubhangi Chavan, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Botany. Now SWAMI RAMANAND TEERTH MARATHWADA University NANDED Semester Pattern Curriculum under Choice Based Credit System CBCS for Undergraduate Program, Faculty of Science and Technology, Subject Botany, Year BSc 3rd year, Paper Plant Pathology. Now we are learning our specialization paper Plant Pathology. It is very important for your PG courses and career. Study of plant pathology is important to increases the crop production and quality of plants. Today we will see the topic, scope and importance of plant pathology. Now start. Plant pathology is an important discipline of plant protection. Now, first of all, definition. Plant pathology or phytopathology is the science which deals with the plant diseases. It is concerned with health and productivity of growing plants. Phytopathology means Greek phyton is equal to plant plus phytos means diseases, elements plus logos means discourse, knowledges is the branch of agriculture, botanical or biological science which deals with the causes ethology resulting in losses and management methods of plant diseases. Plant pathology can also be defined as the study of the nature, causes and prevention of plant diseases. Now, plant pathology is related to many other sciences such as virology, mycology, bacteriology, microbiology, physiology, chemistry, genetics, biotechnology, etc. All of which provide the knowledge required for the correct diagnosis of the management of plant diseases. Now, objective of plant pathology to study living, non-living and environmental causes of diseases or disorders of the plants, to study the mechanism of plant diseases development, to study interaction between host, susceptible and the pathogens. Now, to develop the system of management of plant disease and reduce losses caused by them. Now, next point, importance of plant diseases or plant pathology. About 34% of the crop produce in lost annually due to the diseases, insects, pests, and weeds on the global basis. Premier 1967, about of which 12% is lost due to the diseases caused by fungus, bacteria, or viruses. Now, 11% due to the metabolites, 7% due to the insects, pest, and lastly 3% due to the weeds. When plant protection measures are not implemented, annual loss of 30 to 50% are common in major crops, including horticulture's Encyclopedia Britannica in 2002. Now, next point, epidermis. Lead blight of potato caused by Phytophthora in infestans was responsible for causing Eldritch famine in 1845 by destroying the potato crops by staple food of the people. Hundred and thousand people died of hunger and diseases, and there was a large scale migration of the population to other countries, including North America continent. The population of irrelated was 8 million in 1940, which was reduced to 4 million after the famine. Now, this single disease forced many of the realized to importance of the plant diseases and brought the science of plant pathology to light other famines. White rust epidemics occurred from time to time in many countries. White rust forced farmers to change the cropping pattern, and wheat was replaced by corn or maize or rye. Brown spot of rice caused by Helminthosporium oryza was responsible for Bengal famine in 1943, which many people think one of the reason for the division of Bengal. Coffee rust caused by Hamelia vestatrix forced to cut down the coffee plants in Sri Lanka in 1867. Powdery mildew of grapevines caused by Inconilla nucleators by 1854 reduced the French wine production by 80%. In 1878, the downy mildew caused by Plasmoptera veticola ultimately led to the discovery of Bordeaux mixture. Losses in India. Wheat rust caused a loss of 400 crore annually in the year of epidermis. Losses are 5,000 crore or more. Loose smut of wheat is estimated to causes an average loss of 3%, about 500 crores every year. Other plant diseases such as red rot of sugarcane, potato viruses, rice blight and blight, rice blast and blight, corneal bunt of wheat, root canot of tomato, eggplant and cucurbits, apple scab, mango mango malformation, bunchy top of banana, and spindle spick are responsible for hug losses. Now, next point, effect on society. Infected grains or the fruits may contain toxins such as aflatoxins fumonius, which causes instantly paralysis, stomach disorder, and liver cancer. The monthly spent of the management of the plant diseases is also a loss because in the absence of diseases this many could be saved. There are many other applications on the transport and agro-based industry in the event of plant diseases inflicted yield loss. There is restriction on the movements of food grains and other agriculture produce due to their coordinating pathogens and pesticide residues in the produce causing further loss. Now, plant diseases. Plant diseases are recognized by the symptoms external or internal produced by them or by appearance of the plant. The term plant disease signifies the condition of the plant due to disease or causes of the disease. Plant diseases is mainly defined in terms of the damage caused to the plant or to its organ. The other definition for the term disease are: now, disease is malfunctioning process that is caused by continuous aeration which result in some suffering producing symptoms. This definition is accepted by both American Phytopathological Society and British Mycological Society. Now, this is an alteration in one or more of the ordered skeletal series of physiological process culminating in loss of coordination of energy utilization in a plant as a result of the continuous aeration from the presence or absence of some factor or agent. A plant is said to be diseased when there is harmful deviation and normal functioning of physiological process. Federation of British Plant Pathologists, 1973. The disease can also be defined as any disturbance brought about by living entity of non-living agent or environmental factors which interfere with manufactures, translocation or utilization of food, minerals, nutrition and water in such a way that the affected plant changes in appearance with or without much loss in yield than that of normal healthy plant of the some variety. In general, disease is an interaction among the host, parasite and the environment. Thank you, student.